In this video, I'm going to compare YouTube TV and Sling TV in terms of pricing and features, so you can decide which streaming service is the best fit for your live TV needs. Let's get started. Both platforms are popular among cord cutters, but cater to slightly different audiences. YouTube TV costs $72.99 per month and offers over 100 live channels, including major networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, ESPN, and more. It includes unlimited cloud DVR storage, up to 9 months, 3 simultaneous streams, and a sleek, app-based experience. YouTube TV also provides access to on-demand content and integrates seamlessly with Google services. While it's pricier than some competitors, its all-inclusive package appeals to families and sports fans who want simplicity and flexibility without hidden fees or contracts. Sling TV, on the other hand, is more budget-friendly, starting at $40 per month for its Sling Orange or Sling Blue plans, each offering around 50-plus channels. Sling Blue includes local channels and better DVR options, 50 hours for $5 a month, while Sling Orange focuses on entertainment and sports. You can mix and match plans or add extras like HBO Max, but the channel selection is smaller compared to YouTube TV. Sling also supports up to 2 simultaneous streams, making it less ideal for larger households. While YouTube TV offers a broader channel lineup and advanced features, Sling TV is great for cost-conscious viewers who prioritize flexibility and customization. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more comparisons and tips on streaming services. Thanks for watching, and I hope this breakdown helps you choose between YouTube TV and Sling TV. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.